interesting.
Save time, save money. The biggest range of auto spare parts.
I've never known you. I don't know about They gave us a life vest because obviously we look like we need help. You. You in the morning, in the middle of the night, the voices speak. They are singing softly to me, and telling me word is going round. My head that you don't exist. There's a murmur painting you like the one for me. My head. We just arrived to our house in Brisbane. This is the second one, and this one is really beautiful too. It's a ground floor, so it won't have as much light, but as you can see, it's beautifully decorated. Has a veranda, it has a really nice garden. It's more like an apartment than the other ones that we've been in, but it has this nice big room. And I'm gonna go to the pharmacy. You'll notice that wherever I stay in the world, it always looks like this. That's why I stay in Santa Monica. And then I come to Australia and I stay in New Farm. I go to Cairns and I stay in Edge Hill. It's just my style. Oh, and my nails are falling apart, so I'm gonna try to find something to fix them because I have shellac nails. I was hoping I could have my nails done at a boutique over here, and I've been looking at different places that do shellac, but because I'm traveling with my sister and my mom, it's really hard to coordinate, so I might just have to buy the stuff and do it myself. Found a nice iced latte with almond milk, and that's as much as I could do. I think I need to go to a price line. I just got some 80% acetone. Hopefully that will remove my shellac, and a nail file. I'm gonna make do with that. We're in the city. Small ferry that takes you from one end of the river to the other. So you basically cross the river. We just came back from the makeup place and I purchased a Stila Matte liquid lipstick. And now we're having a bite here. We don't have the bite yet, but I've ordered calamari. I'm leaving the house, going to the coffee place. What's wrong with my screen? Where am I? Okay. Not too bad. Hello. How are you?
Le digo no, thank you, y luego me dan el café y mira.
¿Te han metido ice cream?
Sí.
To live in a town where people just park their boats there. You know, we had a turkey at home today. Do you prefer to see my face or do you prefer to see the other way? This cafe looks so nice. It has fresh flowers. They gave me water. Now this is what I'm talking about. Look, Londoners, these are the Featherlight Australian umbrellas. So different colors. They're so cute. I am of course getting more of these ladyfinger bananas because oh, it's so peaceful. Do you know, I haven't seen the moon yet since I got here. I'm pretty sure there isn't moon in Australia at this point. Look. Who are you? Who are you? What are you? We're home. I said abracadabra and the doors opened. I'm trying to dry my clothes, but I'm not being so successful, you know, because it's really humid apparently. Well, I've never seen you. I've never known you. I don't know about you. You in the morning. Where are you going? Do you wanna eat with us? In the middle of the night, the voices speak. They are singing softly to me, telling me word is going round in my head that you don't exist. There's a murmur.
Communal grazing area in the afternoons.
I don't know what this is.
That's a duck.
Thank you.